everyone, I'm back with a new unboxing video and I'm super excited again because what I just received, it's something very, very unique. And the package arrived and I already took this brown box of it because when I'm opening this, it's not really a big deal. But there it goes. The box itself, as you can see, it having already this sack around it. And that was already something what I haven't seen in my life when a model is arriving in a black sack. So it looks actually very classy. The brand Collectibles. So this unique piece is definitely something that you want to have if you collect. And what is also written, it's an Audi A1 Quattro, which is very, very cool. And on the other side, what I can see, it's make sure that this K model is for adult collectors. Definitely it's not a toy and it's not for kids under 14 years old. So I think I am old enough to open this now. Let's see. Wow, it's also cool. This bag on the box, it's perfect to clean your beloved model, it's written. So seems the material, it's a special one which sucks the dust off from the model. So it's very practical, I have to say. I already love the concept. Here's the box. And here we can open it. It's already smelling like paint. There we go. I love this smell. It's like freshly painted models. Really nice. Look at this inside. There it goes. So I think I'm going to be just very careful to take the spaces out. It's really protected from all the sides, and I'm just gonna pull it out. Oh my god. Oh wow, it's really like a real car, scaled down, absolutely beautiful. They glue it on this plastic base, and it's just remarkable. Even the interior. Okay. Step by step. I don't want to jump immediately so far, but I just amazed. So I'm going to take off this parts now around this protection, and I'm gonna check the model a little bit closer. And what I also want to talk about, of course, is the original design and design concept of this model. And that's why I'm having already here my holy Audi design book, and I already looked up what is in here about this A1 Quattro. I found it's already here. So I would like to just shortly talk about the original concept of the A1, and after that we just go through on the model step by step from exterior to interior. And I think it's just going to be fun because this model here is just absolutely really gorgeous. So we also don't want this ugly brown foil on this plastic. Of course, after that you have to be careful that it's not full of fingerprints, but yeah. And then you can clean it with your bag, and then there it goes. Beautiful. The base of this tiny beauty was a Club Sport Quattro concept from 2011. Audi wanted the design based on a road car, but really for the racetrack, which means they used the RS3 engine and they put it in this tiny car. So this inner power also reflected on the exterior design, and luckily it's also stayed with the street version of the car. And yes, it's not just an ordinary A1, it's much more, and it's a limited edition because only 333 has been produced from this car, so it's really unique. Also, as this tiny model, it's very unique, featuring, of course, Audi's rally history, even with these colors going back to the 80s with this typical Audi white body, and in addition they use this black and red and also gray colors, so they really reached back to the roots of this Quattro rally history. And also with the alloy wheels, because this turbine design with this white alloy wheels, they also reaching back to this original rally wheels from Audi, and on the model is just so nicely detailed. Even this red center cap in the middle with this tiny Audi logos on it. Also the tire is just really beautiful. The front is very nicely done as well, with a shiny glossy single frame. This tiny Quattro badges even on the model, and you can also see this wide air intakes. And my personal favorite details on the car are these red wing shape headlights, which are almost looks like flames. And I have to say, in this tiny model, it's so beautifully detailed. They really took care to make them. I think it's really beautiful. And the back has this huge spoiler on it, and the diffuser with this double exhaust, which I also love very much. I think it's look really nice. The paint is high glossy on the body with the shiny black roof and glossy pillars, mirrors, also everything is glossy. Difficult to see the interior, but looked brilliant on the real model. Funny because the concept version didn't have real seats, but of course the street version having it. And also the colors in the interior, it's black with this red steams and red details. Altogether, I think this 1:80 scale from DNA, it's just remarkable. It's extremely high quality. I cannot even find anything that I can just point out what I don't like. I love this model. The price, of course, it's quite high. It's almost 200 euros, but in my opinion, it's really a collectible piece. And if you wanted to have this tiny beauty in your home, I think because of this high quality, it's worth this money. So I would definitely would like to have this on my shelf. I hope you like this unboxing video, guys. I think this model is very beautiful. Actually, I never seen such a nice, detailed, fine quality model in my life. So I think that was so far the best quality. And I would like to say thank you for Castheads magazines for the model, and also for the FutureDiecastBros. And I'm going to come back very soon to you. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel and follow me on Instagram on GirlsLoveCars. Take care, bye!